In today's video, I'm going to teach you how long take receive Revolut Business send money. By the end, you'll understand what affects delivery times and what to expect for each transfer type, so you can plan payments with confidence. First, timing depends heavily on business days. Most banks don't process transfers on weekends or on bank holidays. If you send money late on a Friday or during a public holiday, processing usually starts on the next working day. Also keep in mind that banks have daily cutoff times, so a transfer made after the cutoff may be treated as if it was sent the next business day. Sometimes a transfer can stay in a pending state longer than you expect because of internal checks. Financial platforms run automatic checks to keep your account safe and to comply with regulations. This is more common with larger amounts, new recipients, or unusual activity. These checks usually clear on their own, but they can add time before the payment moves forward. Delays can also happen at intermediary or recipient banks. When money travels through other institutions, each one may perform its own regulatory review. This is normal, especially for cross-border or higher value payments, and it helps ensure funds are sent securely. Those extra checks can extend settlement times beyond the typical range, even when everything is correct. Now let's set expectations by transfer type. Payments between Revolut customers are usually instant. If both the sender and the recipient are on the same platform, funds often appear right away. For local GBP payments using instant rails, transfers typically arrive within hours and usually no later than 3 hours. EUR transfers sent from SEPA countries can arrive within hours as well, but may take up to 2 business days depending on the receiving bank and local clearing schedules. USD transfers generally land within hours to up to 3 business days, depending on the route used by the receiving bank. For international transfers sent via SWIFT, plan for up to 2 business days. SWIFT moves through intermediary banks, so timing can vary with time zones and compliance checks along the path. Remember, anything initiated over a weekend or bank holiday may experience delays until normal banking hours resume. To keep things smooth, send during local business hours, double-check recipient details, include any required reference, and allow extra time for large or first-time payments. If a transfer sits pending beyond the usual window, review the status in your app and consider contacting support for an update. With these timelines in mind, you'll be better equipped to choose the right transfer type and avoid surprises.